awesome insect. Awesome insect. Now, Abby, now what are we doing? What did Daddy just tell you? We picked up sticks. We picked up sticks because Daddy was talking about walking sticks for insects.
Yeah, there they go with the stuff like in the trees and everything they'll do.
Yeah, and they look like a stick, right?
Yeah, it's like the worm or where's the day.
But they have legs, and
yeah.
they move, but they look like a stick.
It's not like the sticks for the trees.
And why are the trees important?
They're like with the stick, because you saw it and it comes down over these sticks.
Oh, the leaves, right?
Yeah,
they come off the trees now and fall, right?
Yeah, and then you go into the grass, find trees come up. Don't even find the holes, and then the trees go together and become fruit trees.
Yes, and trees are important, right?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they're like all the same and like all the time.
And they give you what? What's that breeze in there?
The air.
Air. Why is air important to?
Because you get breeze.
You get see my.
And there's the nest for the birds. And you go on the trees, build a nest on the trees, and go on the nest and lay your babies, and come like either lay your eggs and come out and you can fly.
Oh, yep. You are right, Abigail. I am so proud of you.
And they're like all the same as the trees. They're like holes in them, like bumps in them, like everything. They're like sticks go in a hole and together, and the leaves come down, and the sticks go on, and they go on the stick, blank.
And the sticks fall on the ground, don't they?
Yeah.
And we were talking about the leaves falling on the ground.
And they go the worms down here.
The worms like that.
Like snakes down here, down the trees.
Yeah,
and the sticks with the leaves.
Yeah.
So they're like all the things are like other leaves. They're poison ivy, so.
No, that's not poison ivy. That right there is a little oak tree.
Oak tree. You see the poison ivy tree? So it's our like a horn and the woods everywhere. Except the goat trees. So and it's in those trees, that trees two and together and divide the sticks to cut that down the trees and get the.
So what you're saying, my baby girl, is that trees are important because they give us air.
And
And we cut them down